same size.
Sam, how excited are you for this fight?
I'm really happy for this one. This is a big one here, man. This is gonna be what I want to see. This is the kind of fight I want to see. One quiet guy against a noisy guy. The quiet guy is strong. The noisy guy is strong, fast, quick. It's gonna be a great fight, man.
So
June 20th.
So, in addition to promoting the fight, you're the hype man.
No, I'm just happy. I'm just happy to be here with this such a great fight. Premier Boxing doing it again. I can't believe this.
Really?
I'm excited. Yo, my God, one of the biggest fights ever.
It is
Two young, strong dudes. They know one of them got a loss. Both of them got a loss. See, both got a loss. That's what the key. They both was undefeated for a long time. Now, one of them had a loss one way, the other got lost the other way. Both of them lost. So ain't nobody no great. It's gonna make it so much. Woo-wee. I mean, I'm really happy about this one. This is one of them. It's gonna be a great fight, great night. The next day we're gonna fight again, same place. It's gonna be a lot of fun, man. I tell you.
Talk about what PBC is doing for boxing.
PBC letting everybody watch it on regular TV, on CBS, on NBC, on Spike TV, on free TV. You can't beat that nowhere. No cable, just regular TV.
Compared, do you think this fight has a chance to be fight of the year this year?
Oh yes, this fight here definitely got a chance to be fight of the year. Sean will keep coming. Sean's a better boxer. I mean, Broner's a better boxer. Sean's just a man with a lot of heart and soul, and he believes in himself. Unbelievable. So it's gonna be a fight. It's gonna be a war. And Adrian gonna dance. Adrian gonna do what he gotta do. But it's gonna be one of the greatest fights this year. Yes, it definitely does.
So the one good thing you get is no matter who wins, you get to walk out with
whoever wins.
you win no matter what.
Both fighters are 50-50 to me.
Team Watson and Team Heyman are doing some wonderful things.
Team Heyman, boy, Al Heyman doing it up on this one. It's unbelievable. I'm happy for them too. They're getting paid too.
Yeah, they get paid.
Man.